Spell the word race. She ran in a race yesterday. Race. Number 2, spell the word wage. Some jobs pay minimum wage. Wage. Number 3, spell the word same. I have the same shirt as my friend. Same. Number 4, spell the word date. Today's date is January 11th. Date. Number 5, spell the word nice. He has a nice smile. Nice. Number 6, spell the word mile. The track team had to run 1 mile. Mile.